Take number 3. This is a demo of version 0.0.2 of musicnftinspect, the package. First, we have now updated so that we have musicnftinspect.xyz. We've gone ahead and bought that domain. And earlier today, I posted out a question for people that create music NFTs, who's selling music NFTs for 0.0111. Got a bunch of responses, and so let's test out some of these music NFTs I bought. We have one from Zora, Elf Aphoresis. We've got one from Manifold, Bad by Suave. And then we've got one on Decent, Hypnosis, by, I'm actually not sure the name of who this is by. I think it's Frankie.e. Let's start off with Zora. So Zora's data is 100% on-chain. I was able to query the contract, got the base 64 string encoded on-chain, and then converted that to JSON. We'll feed that into musicnftinspect.xyz, paste the metadata. Looks like we have 4 matching fields. We've got a name, description, an image, and an animation URL. We are missing 20 fields. We're missing a version, MIME type, title, artist, attributes, external URL, genre, track number, duration, and more. So that's Zora. 4 matching, 20 missing, total score 16%. Now we move on to Suave in Manifold. Suave on Manifold, I was able to go to the contract address, and then their metadata is stored on Arweave. And so here's the metadata that is stored off-chain on Arweave. I can copy this. We can paste this into the musicnftinspect.xyz, submit it. We can see it's got a better score than what Zora had. We've got a 25% score in terms of compatibility with the catalog music metadata format. We've got 6 matching attributes with name, attributes, description, external URL, image, and animation URL. We're missing 18, including things like beats per minute, key, artwork, original release date, record label, publisher, lossless audio, credits, and tags. Last one we'll do is a Decent NFT. Disclaimer, I do work with Decent, and I wrote and worked with their team on their metadata implementation, and so yeah, it's gonna look nice. Disclaimer there. So when we submit the Decent NFT, this is an NFT that I was able to just go onto Etherscan and then look up. This was stored on IPFS, and so you look at the IPFS hash, and we have 21 matching, including this artist has included genre, duration, beats per minute. The only things we're missing are a version, title, and lossless audio. Lossless audio should get included. I'm surprised it's not there. He's using a wave, which is lossless, so that seems like a bug in Decent. And then title should already be matching the name of the contract, and so that should also be included, so I'm surprised that one's not. In version, I might end up removing version as a requirement of this, but you know what, I should probably we're going to keep version in there, and so Decent off-chain storage also needs to include a version. So that is our breakdown of, oh yeah, and it's at 87.5% compatible with Decent NFTs. So that's using musicnftinspect.xyz to check out NFTs on Zora, Manifold, and Decent. If you've got any questions, let me know. Otherwise, this is Sweets, signing off.